Hey everybody, Jay at LockNLube. Today I'm very excited to introduce the LNL156. This is our first mini grease gun. It's also the first mini grease gun to come with a inline hose swivel, flex hose, and LockNLube coupler. So we include our coupler, 12-inch whip hose, and the inline swivel to give you the flexibility to reach fittings all over the machine wherever you may be greasing. It's going to give you a lot more options than you would get with just the rigid pipe extension. Also, because you've got the LockNLube coupler on here, this is going to be compatible with all of our quick connect greasing accessories, 90-degree adapters, needles, and the like. It is rated to 3,500 PSI, so it can build quite a bit of pressure. 3,500 PSI is about as much as most people would be able to build just squeezing the handle here anyway. And like I said, accepts your standard 3-ounce tube. I will show you quickly what the loading and priming on this gun looks like. So when you do go to load the tube in, you'll unscrew your barrel, and when you pull out the follower, you'll need to rotate the T-pull until two little notches in the rod fall into the slot and can be held out like this. Now you're in a good position to load the tube, and with the T-pull extended, thread it back in. If you were to release the T-pull before you thread this back in, you're gonna have a big mess on your hands. I like to thread it in part of the way. It gives the air a little bit room to escape when you're priming it up for the first time. Twist the T-pull back in, let it go in, start pumping. You'll notice that on the minigun there is no air bleeder valve, so in order to get it primed, you'll just need to pump, keep pumping for a little while until grease comes out, and then snug it up. Give it those couple extra turns to get the barrel in place. So, as I said, this is the LNL156. This is our minigun compatible with all 3-ounce grease cartridges, rated to 3,500 PSI, and comes standard with the LockNLube grease coupler, 12-inch whip hose, and our inline hose swivel. Thanks for watching. For more information, check out LockNLube.com or search for LockNLube on YouTube.